Random Dad stuff. Yeah.
No!
Okay, let me explain what's going on here. But we're gonna have to back up about 45 minutes. Let's go. Well, if you couldn't tell, today's video is a bike video. Enjoy. So, as my mom always tells me, wear a helmet! And so, I'm wearing a helmet. Just taking a nice little ride along here. This is a canal over by Biscayne Park, Bayfront Park, here in Homestead. Nice smooth road, smooth trail, well groomed and everything. Well, good thing I wore my helmet, Mom, because the sign says, wear your helmet. Must wear a helmet. This looks like we're going right out to the sea here. Gotta rest because the sign said this is the rest area.
No!
Gone. Gone forever. Well, my drone just dropped into the ocean about a quarter mile out there. Yeah. Goodbye, drone. My drone crashed in the water out there somewhere. 1,265 feet out there, to be exact. Goodbye, drone. Guy that was fishing here said the water is only about 10 feet deep out there, so maybe I'll get a kayak and get my snorkeling stuff and go find it. But it doesn't float, do you know? Maybe those helicopters ran into it. Well, sadly, I think that's going to be the end of drone shots for Random Dad Stuff videos for a while. Well, on a positive note, I have less to carry back now. I really hope the video was saved on my iPad and not just on the SD card on the drone. That would be epic. Well, I guess this episode is turned into a what not to do with your drone episode instead of a biking episode. However, the drone was pretty old. It crashed a few times on ground. It was pretty beat up. It was held together by some duct tape and cracked battery. The camera didn't work that great. Bunch of stuff, but still. And I got it for free. But still, it's lost. I'm taking donations to buy a new one if anybody wants to send them to me. Or if you just want to buy me a new one and send it to me. Or if you have an old one and want to send it to me, that'd be great. If anybody wants to help out in any way, it'd be much appreciated. Really, the only time I get it out is when I'm doing these videos, because I think you guys would enjoy the shots from up high and those kind of things. But anyway, it is what it is. Moral of the story, probably not the best idea to be flying your drone over somewhere where it's irretrievable. However, I've done it dozens, hundreds of times before, and people do it all the time. Just something happened and went down, and probably not gonna find it. But anyway, thanks for watching the video today. Keep you updated on the drone news and the things I do to make these dumb videos. My gosh, it's gonna get expensive. Well, I guess since this was supposed to be a bike video, I'll show you how to do a bunny hop. Tune in next time. See you later without a drone.